evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. And we have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture perfect for a game of this nature. Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. So, Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
One of the game's best ever, Cristiano Ronaldo. He brings the power to whatever he does, and his unquenchable thirst for goals is always an enjoyable sideshow. It's very rare he fails to leave his mark.
I think the opposition defence agree too. He's going to be the source of so many of their headaches. And he's in a really good position here now. Ball's got foot in. Oh, nice one too, very nice. Balls out once more. In with the touch. Here it comes. Keeper has taken decisive action. Over it comes. Keeper has taken decisive action. Driving forward. And they're not going to make any further progress now. Played into space out wide. It's a promising position. And that is out of play. De Bruyne. Nice interception. His positioning was spot on. Bit of a communication breakdown there, it seems. Referee's had a good look and given a corner. Bruyne plays it short. And it's gone back. All the way through, so back it comes. Real chance! Goal! Barcelona! To that. No getting to it at all. Excellent.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
After 39 minutes is number 5.
A 1-0 lead established.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Busquets. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Well, that tackle was immense, and so was the relief. The great escape.
Ultimately produced just one goal. A more than decent game up to now.
Well, that certainly pleased the fans, and the players are definitely happy with that scoreline. The question is now, can they protect it?
Barcelona go in at half-time with a slender 1-goal lead. Here we go again. Barcelona carrying a 1-goal lead. He's got away. Gets into some space. Ball swung in. Tries to get it clear. Mbappe with the clearance. Backward. He's had a shot! A real chance and a real let-off. De Ligt. Played back to the goalkeeper. Alexander-Arnold. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Mbappe tries a shot! They've scored! Getting better and better. Perfect placement, the one place the keeper couldn't reach.
Now that's what I call finishing. Right. He knew instinctively who was where and didn't need to waste any time weighing things up. That's a cracking goal.
After 56 minutes.
Barcelona get themselves a two-goal cushion.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one of these.
It's a pretty loose pass. He's left his man. Tadic.
The attendance for this match was 71,550.
Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy. That's a nicely measured pass. De Jong. Well, this man's contribution is, as you would expect, proving terrific.
Well, having that sort of player in your side is reassuring because the rest of the team knows he can make his influence count at any stage. It's simply when he really wants to, this fella scores.
And the pass is intercepted. Alvarez. He's through here. And he's running through. Shot a goal! Sticks it all! Shot a goal! Sticks it all! Time for a change in personnel. This is threatening to become a really good game.
Well, they've given him a chance here, but it's a balance right between attack and defence, and that's not easy.
De Bruyne, looking for the runner. Chance, he's got the shot away! He scores! And surely that does it! Perfect time, decisive strike. Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement.
Number 9, Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi.
Couple of changes then in quick succession.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
Very little time.
Well, I think if they're going to have any hope from here, they'll need to see their more experienced lads step up to the plate now.
Look at the oh, chance! Who's going to get there? Tries to think it through. Barcelona can be very happy with a job well done. An efficient win for which the players simply did enough. Cristiano Ronaldo picking up the Man of the Match award.